How to turn off at everyone tag notifications on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. Admins in Facebook groups have the ability to use an at everyone tag when they want to make sure everyone in the group sees something. If you are tired of this and you want to turn off at everyone tag notifications on Facebook, then in this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can do that. Step 1 is to open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. From here, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings. Once you're on your settings, scroll down and get to the Preferences section. Here, select the option of Notifications. Now, in the section of What notifications you receive, select Tag. Once you're here, in the section of Get Notifications When You're Tagged By section, you want to select either Friends of Friends or Friends. Once you do that, you will make sure that only your friends of friends or friends are able to tag you in a post. Once that is done, scroll down and on the last section of Receive Notifications For, you have the option of Batch Mentions. Simply toggle this option off. Once you do that, you have successfully turned off Add Notification tag. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.